JP Morgan, $2 billion in AI value. ServiceNow, $1 billion in AI revenue. Same playbook, let's unpack it. I'm Brzozowski, and yeah, I know, I wrote about JP Morgan 3 months ago, but here's why this matters right now. ServiceNow just announced they are targeting $1 billion in AI revenue in 2026, and they are doing it with the exact same approach JP Morgan used. They are calling it the AI control tower. And it's not about building more agents or delivering better automation, it's about measurement infrastructure. Their CFO said it plainly. In 2026, AI will be judged less on promise and more on proof. The statement right there is the signal that everything has changed. Here's the reality playing out across enterprises right now. 78% of CFOs are demanding ROI proof before they scale AI budgets. Yet, more than 90% of enterprise AI projects show absolutely no measurable returns. It's shocking. We are looking at $275 billion in AI spend predicted for this year alone, and despite all that investment, most enterprises can't answer two fundamental questions. First, the agentic ecosystem. It's which of our agents actually justify investment and move the business forward? For assistive AI, it's what's the ROI on that $1,400 per employee we are spending annually? Very typical questions, and the typical answer, unfortunately, is silence. JP Morgan can answer both questions with data. ServiceNow just built a $1 billion business helping other enterprises do the same. But the vast majority, they're still guessing, improvising, and hoping the CFO doesn't dig too deep in the next quarterly review. That's not how we want to operate in this beautiful AI revolution. What's the playbook then that both of these organizations figured out? ServiceNow calls it see, decide, and act. And it breaks down into 4 phases. Phase 1 is about visibility. You have to see everything first. You can't measure 47 agents if you don't know 20 of them exist. This means unified visibility across your entire AI landscape, real-time inventory of what's actually deployed, shadow AI discovery to find what finance doesn't even know about, and actual spend tracking. And I'm thinking more than tokens, not only API calls or computing costs. You need to know all of it. Phase 2 is measurement. Decide based on outcomes, not activity. We are not talking about usage metrics here. Adoption was 2024 metrics. We are talking about business outcomes, cost per task, actual productivity gains, success rates versus fail rates, board-ready dashboards and insights that prove which investments are working, which ones are just burning your budget. Phase 3 is about taking action. Act with confidence and not hope. Measure from day one. Every pilot. Prove ROI in 30 to 60 days, not 6 months. Scale only what demonstrates value. Kill what doesn't. Turn AI from an IT experiment into a proven revenue driver before you ask for more budget. Finally, phase 4. It's all about enablement. You need to find the speed through measurement, visibility, and governance. Here's the counterintuitive part. Measurement and governance don't slow you down, they let you move faster. Independent ROI validation unlocks CFO confidence and budget. Governance stops being your barrier and becomes scaling advantage. JP Morgan, $2 billion in AI value because they measured first. ServiceNow, $1 billion in AI revenue, helping enterprises do the same thing. 2026 is the year CFOs stop accepting promises and start demanding proof. So when your CFO walks into the room and asks which AI investments are actually working, can you answer that question with data? The full playbook is in the article, link in my bio. How is your playbook?